It's Earth Day 208, and this is the flume from the Kilauea volcano. I'm standing in the Y of the road here on the way to Earth Dance at Killarney. And this flume is so crazy and awesome, I thought we'd just stop and film it. Going to be late getting over there, guys, but you talk about a photographic opportunity. It could even be our last opportunity. We're within crow flies mile from where it's pouring into the ocean, and it just keeps going and going, man. From here it really looks like a nuclear bomb or something has went off, but it keeps going. The whole cloud system all around and everything, there is no other clouds. This is all from the volcano. You can see the top of it there, just rolling as it enters the atmosphere and mixes with the water. And it's got what is it has in it, Chris? Sulfuric, not sulfuric acid, but sulfur dioxide, which I'm told when it mixes with the water in the sky and comes back down is a form of sulfuric acid. Don't know if that's true, but anyway, got to get on down the road and look at all of that. And like I say, there's no other clouds around. All of this is from the impact of the lava pouring into the Pacific Ocean, right on the other side of Fox Landing, Hawaii. Big island. All right.